The annual Pizza Pizzazz culinary competition was held on January 13, 2019. The Mid-America Restaurant Expo brought together 40 of the nation's best pizza makers to Columbus, Ohio to compete for honors and a cash prize. After a preliminary round, 6 finalists squared off to determine who had this year's best pizza.
Making it to the final round. This time we're taking first place.
And I've taken second place twice.
Once the scores were in, 2-time champion Kyle Rosch of Bryn's Pizza Company in Chapel Hill, North Carolina, added a third win to his record with the Heartland, a pizza featuring fresh mozzarella, provolone, cup and char pepperoni, smoked bacon, balsamic caramelized onion, roasted red peppers, shaved parmesan, and fresh basil. I'm here with your winner, Kyle Rosch. Kyle, this is your third win in just a short amount of time. How does it feel to win 3 times?
I mean, obviously, it feels great to win 3 times. It's not an easy feat, but even getting into the finals, getting into the top 3. I mean, you saw the lineup of everybody who made it there. It's just fantastic. So, I'm super happy about it.
Tori Trupiano from Dominic's in Oceanside, California, took second place with the Pig, or Pizza is Great. That pie featured bacon fat-infused dough with sausage, pulled pork, bacon pepperoni, mozzarella, ricotta florets, barbecue sauce, and candied jalapenos. Tori, you place consistently in the finals and in the top 3 of competition after competition. How do you do it?
Well, you know what? It's a passion. I love doing this. Second place is nice. Yes, I wanted that first place. But I love doing this, man. The competition, it's that adrenaline feel, it's that rush.
In third place was Michael LaMarca of Cleveland's Master Pizza franchise with an Old World Detroit pizza featuring house-made Italian sausage and cup and char pepperoni. Michael, you've placed second at this competition before. What does it feel like to get back on the podium?
It's great. I mean, there's 45 competitors from, I believe, like they said, 17 states. So to compete and take third amongst 45 of some of the best pizza makers we know personally and got to meet today, it's a huge honor, and it's something I'm proud of, and I can't wait to bring it home and to share with everybody.
For more pizza news and information, be sure to visit pmq.com, pizzatv.com, and follow us on social media.